Okay, let's understand what is an AI agent. Okay, so AI got different areas, right? The one is the chatbot. It's more like you with the AI and then it replies back with a message. So that is most of the people are aware of. The AI agents is the next evolution of AI, where you can think of AI agents as someone who has capability to execute. So the way I think about it is like a real world agent. So what does agent do? Agent doesn't only talk, right? It's not just the mouthpiece. They have the hands and the legs to execute. So if you ask agent to do something, it can do for you. Whereas a chatbot can only talk, no action. So AI agent is something that can act on your behalf. You can ask it to send an email, can ask it to draft a document, can ask it to go and find some information on the website. So these are real world actions that the agent can do. So you can think of agents as a real person who can execute things for you. It's like a helper who can do things for you. It has more information about the job, like you give the context, like what you need to be done, and what are the supporting documents needed to take that action. You give the tools like the connectors, like connectors to Gmail to send an email, connected to Google Drive to download or upload a document. So these are connectors, and you give a memory, like it remembers what was done yesterday, so that it can execute something today based on what was done yesterday. So these are the deciding factors for agents. So why agents are blowing up right now is after the OpenClaw, right? OpenClaw made agent more powerful, or the concept more powerful, because it did three things at the same time. It was able to remember things, and it can take proactive actions, and it can do it with any kind of models. So, what is the difference between a normal computer program and a AI agent? We also had computer programs for quite long where it can send emails, do n number of tasks for us. What separates a normal computer program and the AI agent is AI agent has this brain, the LLM brain that can reason a task. So when you send a task to AI agent, it doesn't have a deterministic output. It doesn't say, okay, you send me A, I will give you B. So that's a very clear path. But AI agent has this LLM brain inside. It could be a Claude Opus or it could be a Chat GPT model behind, which receives the text and then it has to decide what action need to taken based on the text, and then it executes for you. So there is kind of intelligence behind this thing, kind of a thinking power, if you think, for the agent to carry out. So the agent can be two types, right? One is like a without proactiveness. You tell the agent to do something and then it go on and does that thing. That is first form of agent. The second agent is more like a proactive agent where you can schedule the agent to do something on hourly basis, on a daily basis. So these kind of agents, they run the task in a schedule. So that's the door that OpenClaw, those kind of tools open for the public, where the agent can run on its own, and it can remember what happened before, and also it has access to tools. So these three things made OpenClaw so powerful that it's almost like looks like a living thing, where it can do the stuff for you while you're sleeping.